Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to the 6 p.m. video for Tuesday. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. Glad to have you here again. Happy New Year. I'll probably be saying that to the end of the month. Tonight's video is still on quantum. Quantum is the hottest thing going on right now, and we've got a portfolio set up for quantum stocks for the year. We're going to take a look at that in a second. But, you know, no matter who says what and who does a video on YouTube, you really truly need to have a way of knowing whether it's the right time or not the right time to be in any quantum pick at any point in time. I'm going to show you two graphs, depending on how you invest in the market or how you are looking at quantum, to always help you to be on the right side of the quantum picks, whether it's a pick that I'm talking about, a pick that Ryan is talking about. But I'm going to show you the power of the software to take all of those questions out of your mind. And that's what everybody needs, because a lot of these stocks have moved up and all of that stuff. Is it the right time to be in these stocks? So we're going to get right into the program, and we're going to start off with the portfolio that I have for the year 2025, Q10, sort of like Mag 7, but I've dubbed it Q10, Quantum 10 stocks for 2025. A big hit today to the downside, but that's okay, because when I did my original quantum video, I said that quantum is only going to be as good as the advances. I look for really big highs in the space this year, but I also look for some lows in the space this year. And that's why these two graphs can make the difference between making money in these picks, no matter what anybody's saying on YouTube or not. So with that being said, you know, we're up 7.65%. Big hit to the downside today, but we've got enough cushion. We're still up for the year. This portfolio was initiated on 12/31 of 2024. Let's go look at the returns. Let me move over to a little bit more. The ROIs, look at this. Out of the 10 stocks, every one of the stocks are making money with the exception of ARQQ. I think that it still has a good opportunity to make money throughout the year. So now, what's the biggest mover? Atom. I'm still trading Atom. IONQ is going to be a good play. RGTI is going to be more of a up and down play, a more volatile play. D-Wave in the space is going to be a good play, and so on all the way down. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes. I got two graphs that are in the VectorVest system that you don't have to build. All right, two graphs, whether you're short-term on the play or long-term on the play, to give you the right entries and exits throughout the year on these plays. I'm going to right-click, click on View Stock Graph. We're going to start off with the near perfect indicator. I just did a video for this in the VectorVest software. Great way to know when to be in the stock, especially if you're a longer term or swing trader on the stock. Atom, I've got trend. I'm not going to talk about the moving averages. I've already talked about it, and it's already on the YouTube channel. Go check it out. Near perfect entries and exits. But look at this. Atom, I'm still in it. It's got trend. Longer term people who really feel long term on the stock, you're okay. If you want to get in and take profits at the right time, moving averages and RT will get you out. This is where you take half off the table. Look at that. And now you're only playing with half the money, and the rest of the money is the house's money. Now, let's move over to another stock layout called Star Search. This is for my more aggressive people, shorter term play in the fast lane. I've done videos on this as well, looking at two different Bollinger Bands to create three lanes: a fast lane, a middle lane, and a slow lane. Look at this. Atom, even from a short-term play, down day to day, but I'm in the fast lane. I'm okay. Again, no matter what anybody tells you about these stocks, you have the wherewithal to know that whether you're a longer-term player or a shorter-term player, if it's okay for you to be in the stock and when to start taking profits. All right, next one, INOQ in the fast lane. Bottom left, top right, fast lane, down day to day, but guess what? Still in the fast lane. Let's move over to the MPI. MPI says still got strong trend. We're getting an entry again on the short-term play. I like INOQ, but I will keep in mind from a technical standpoint, looking at candlesticks, I got a big wick at the top. I'm keeping my eyes on that. I don't want to ever give back more than half of what I've made on the stock anyway. Next one, Rigetti. I've been in and out of this stock. It's a little bit more volatile. Longer term though, folks, it's got trend. Shorter term, it's still a good play. Down day today. Couple of things that I'm looking at. Candlesticks again. Look at that. Long wick at the top. That's a shooting star. Follow through with a down day and a bearish engulfing. Folks, looking at a graph can make a big difference in what you do. I wouldn't be mad at you if you took half off of the table just by way of the candlesticks. All right, let's go to the next one. QBTS. We got trend, we got trigger. What am I looking at here? Candlestick pattern. Got a dark cloud cover. Look at that. I wouldn't be mad at you if you took half off the table, but looking at the trend keeps you patient. Trend says we're still in good uptrend. We're still in, from a short-term perspective, we're still okay, but I'm watching the candlesticks. I think this is the kind of information that every investor needs in a space as hot as quantum to lock in profits. For those people who are finding this useful, type the word useful in here, because again, people will tout a stock and tell you everything about it. I'm walking you through the opportunity to be able to make the right decisions. Coherent. We got trend. Now, a lot of things about trend. It's a longer term trend. It keeps you patient. 2 down days. We got a bearish engulfing. We got follow through. Short term, no. But longer term, it does have trend. Let's go look at Star Search. Oof. Star Search, we're in the middle lane. I wouldn't be mad at you if you took half off the table or waited for a better buying opportunity. Let's go to the next one. NVIDIA, big hit today from the fast lane into the middle lane. That's a big hit. That's a bearish engulfing pattern right there, followed by dark cloud, followed by a shooting star. Let's look at it long term. MPI says we still have trend. I don't have an entry as far as a trigger, but I do like RT is moving down, creating a lower high here. When it does cross, that's going to be a great buying opportunity again if you're not into it. Now, the other side of this is not only for entries and exits, or for exits, but for entries. If I'm not in NVIDIA right now, I know it has trend. Let's look to see if we can get opportunity to get in at the right time. Let's go back to Star Search if I hadn't done that. Oh, we did do that. All right, let's go to the next stock real quick. Google, trying to get in the fast lane. In a downtrend, broke through the downtrend, a little bit of a wick at the top here. Let's go look at the MPI if you're a little longer term on it. We got trend. All right, so no matter how you invest in these stocks, I love these 2 setups to help you as a longer term investor. And look at this, even as a shorter term, how about we got trigger? All right, I don't like that the RT is this high, but I got trigger. We're okay. Watch the big wick at the top. All right, let's go to the next one. Amazon. We've got trend. If you wanted to take half off the table, here it is right here on 1231. The RT triggered us to get out and take half off the table. Now I'm only playing with half the money. I still have trend though. I like that. Let's go to Star Search. Amazon in the middle lane. I'm not ready to take that right now. All right, it's in the middle lane and it's a down day. Let's go to the next one. Qubit, Quantum, middle lane. After coming off of this downtrend, I like the pinch. I like the break to the outside. I would wait, but let's go take a look at the MPI longer term. Oof, I got trend. I see we had a wedge. We broke out to the side. It's a little bit of just consolidation. If I was looking to take half off the table right here on 1224, I could have done so, but we are moving sideways. And the last stock is ARQQ. Big pull off from the downside. I've got trend, and I just got an opportunity today to take half off the table after pulling off of the high. Folks, these 2 indicators, these 2 graphs are going to be a must use when it comes down to quantum stocks. It's a hot space where there's a lot of stocks out there, but what we have here in the VectorVest software will definitely give you better entry and exits to manage these stocks. So with that, folks, this video is over. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel, looking at quantum stocks, you like this kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Folks, I'm out of here. Till the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, Glenn here. Just need to tell you again, the Tampa 2-day seminar, which is our flagship seminar that we start every year off right with, is about to happen. And if you're looking to go live, you still got a little bit of time left to get a seat. Go to www.vectorvest.com/Tampa to reserve your live seat. Folks, I'm going to be there. Joey's going to be there. We're going to be there live. You can spend time with us and talk with us. Once again, www.vectorvest.com/Tampa.